My name is Danny Mui. This is my 2016 Dodge Charger Hellcat. It's also owned by me and my wife, Deborah Mui. It just turned 5,500 miles on the car. So I don't get a chance to drive it much, but it's built for a track. I have the Mickey Thompson drag radials, 20-inch 305, 4520s. I'm sorry, 3520s, excuse me. They're ready for, I got the new ones, so I kind of smoked these up a little bit on the burnouts. So definitely better than the stock tire. So I actually removed the emblem, the Dodge lettering, the Charger, and I have the tail light cover. So it's kind of like the blacked out murdered out, they call it, blacked out. So the tail lights, the signal lights, everything's all blacked out and I have the rear diffuser. Exactly, no, so it's headers, Cook's headers, into a high flow clats, into a Corsica Extreme exhaust system. So it's a Borda 426, has the Whipple 4.5 supercharger with a big bore throttle body. Has the larger injectors, ID 1300 fuel injectors, dual returnless pumps. So the pulley on here is actually I actually had a 4.25. The boost was way too high for this car, and it was just not drivable. So actually, we put it back down to a 4.75 pulley, which was actually about.
What do you have going with the back tire?
So right now on the 100 pump, which I don't run 93, I run 100 pump, it's 980 to the wheel.
Wow.
And when I run VP MS 109, it's at 1050 to the wheel. So it's over 1200 to the crank. So I belong to the New England Car Club, Mopar guys, mostly out of Mass, but we have a lot of guys representing here today, and we're all big on Mopars, but our club, we have Fords, we have Chevys, you know, so but we're essentially Mopar guys.
Hi, my name is Jim Taylor from Holyoke, Massachusetts, and I'm affiliated with the New England Mopar Club. And what we have here is a 2018 Dodge Challenger Hellcat wide body. All right, this is a wide body. The first year of the wide body came out in 2018, and they come with 11-inch wheels, 305 3520 tire. Badge, that's the distinction for the Hellcat. For the 2018, and there are different badges for the Red Eye and also for the Demon, but this distinguished as the Hellcat. Okay. The interior has got leather interior, heated and cooled seats, and it also comes with optional red seat belts. It's an automatic, 8-speed automatic, paddle shift. You can paddle shift the vehicle, and you can slapstick the vehicle if you'd like. Just pull the shifter over to the left, and you can positive up, down, and shift up and down.
Like NASCAR.
Yeah, it really is. And it shifts hard in track mode. There's 4 different modes. There's an auto mode, there's a custom mode, there's a sport mode, and there's also a track mode.
And that's all determined by the shifter right there?
You can pick your modes via the SRT button on the dash.
Yep.
It'll pop up on the 8.5-inch screen. You can buy an optional wing. It comes out a little further, but this is what usually comes with the car.
With the graphics?
That's an option.
That was an option?
Yeah, that's the graphic.
Fiber?
Yep, carbon fiber. That's I forgot how much, but that's an option. The only option this car does not have is a sunroof. They call it B5 Blue Metallic, and you can see it in the sun. You can, the right sunlight. It really pops. That was 707 horsepower with 650 pound-feet of torque. It really screams. It's a fun car to drive. And the whine, the Hellcat, the intercooler whine, it's incredible. It's fun. I love driving the thing.
I'm Jerry Pixley from Southampton, Massachusetts. This is my 1969 Dodge Dart 340 4-speed. I bought it in Texas in 1983. It was all replaced 14 years ago.
4-speed?
4-speed, yep. Door panels, rugs, seats, headliner.
What are we looking at here? 490?
Oh, it's a 340.
You drive it?
I drive it. I drive it anytime I feel like jumping in it and go.
What year is this? What year?
1929.
29.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Talking to you about a beautiful car. Very nice. What is this? Charger. Charger. Pickle. Charger pickle. Yes. Nice.